Okay, so she's sick, so don't mind the voice.
Okay, wait. I have to do my.
She's
Avatar.
gonna change the avatar. That's not. Well, that's. Well, she's my friend, but hold up, wait. Avery, no, you need to be taller.
I know I'm doing it.
Okay.
Wait. I'm trying to change my character.
Remember that Shrek avatar you put? Do that one.
What?
Remember that Shrek avatar that you always put? Put that one.
Okay. This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
You ready?
Okay, wait, I'm trying to do this. I'm trying to do the emo. Let me make sure you're on the right side. Sophia!
What?
It's not letting me do the emo in this game. It doesn't have anything.
Oh, then it's, wait, hold up, wait. Wait. Oh yeah, it doesn't have
Do it
it.
in a different game.
Yeah, let's just do it in Brookhaven.
Okay. It says I have the email. Okay, where are you?
Hold up, wait, I'm joining you.
Sophia, what is she doing with the baby?
What do you mean?
Not doing it.
I don't know. I didn't see her doing anything with her baby.
Stay there.
Oh my god. my baby sister Valeria.
Stay where you're at. Why did you move?
Sorry.
It's fine.
What the? That's not the. I'm not kidding. You said you needed 2 people.
I know. You do.
No, but basically you can see my arm. You can. I have 3 arms. You can see your arm.
Sophia.
What?
It won't let me with 0 people. Look. Look, it just puts a different email. Let me try to do it. Wait.